From Queens, New York, it's the vibe you need. Two brothers, two friends, first gen energy. Cooking stories, comedy and style. Turn up the volume, stay a while.
Born and raised in the NYC light, Sicilian pride, keeping it tight. Philosophy and laughs, the table's full. Pour the wine, let the stories pour. Pasta simmering, the sauce is hot. Comedy drops, they're taking their shot. Real talk, real love, every word's gold. Italians, Sicilians, breaking the mold.
Italians, Sicilians do it better. Oh, can't you see? From cooking to comedy, it's pure family. Turn it up, this groove's for you. Queens in the house, bringing something true.
Drop the bass, feel the vibe. Stories of Queens, it's a wild ride. Old school love with a modern twist. Sicilian swagger, you can't resist. Life, love, philosophy, flow. Four voices strong, watch the podcast glow. They think it, they say it, they bring it to you. Welcome to their world, it's all brand new.
Italians, Sicilians do it better. Oh, can't you see? From cooking to comedy, it's pure family. Turn it up, this groove's for you. Queens in the house, bringing something true. Raise a glass to the old and the new. Tradition runs deep, but the laughs break through. Brothers, friends, the energy's high. Queens to the world.